modern combined pH glass electrode consists of two half cells, the glass membrane to measure the pH, and an integrated reference system. The glass membrane consists of a silicate frame that separates the internal buffer from the sample. The internal buffer has a constant pH of 7. Depending on the pH of the sample, protons migrate into or out of the hydrated layer of the glass membrane. And this results in a potential change. The reference system consists of a silver-silver chloride cartridge and a diaphragm. This setup, together with the reference electrolyte, ensures a constant reference potential. The potential difference between the two half cells is then used to determine the pH value.